Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones House of Marley Positive Vibration XL from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones at the device list. And right here at the right side we have a button disconnect, but before I tap on it, I'm going to tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. Disconnect leaves your device at the device list, and unpair just remove your device from your phone. Now let's tap on it, and as you can see, we have it at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!